Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville 2 YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a quick look at this HART Tools 14-in-1 compact multi-tool. Of course, it's HART, so it's sold at Walmart, and you can buy it online or in store. It's discounted all the way to $4.50 right now. So a great deal on a compact little multi-tool. You can see it comes with a little sheath or holder for it. But let's get this thing opened up and take a look. Someone definitely needs to share with me the correct method for opening a package like this, because obviously I haven't figured it out. There we go. Since we got it in our hand, you got your little Velcro. Oh, don't steal it. Little Velcro guy. Belt loop on the back. Spring guy, we got the pliers, cutters. Real lightweight. Try not to slam my finger right into the knife. A little serrated. Cutting tree branches, you'll be alright. Make a man out of you. Oh, it even has little scissors. That's not something you get in every set or every multi-tool. Now they sure do pack a lot in here. Lots of sharp edges, something to cut yourself on. Cool. Handy. Keep in the glove box, tackle box. Take it with you camping or something. Coming useful. $4.50. Can't beat that with a stick. There it is. Thanks for watching.